I founded Gideon Hillman Consulting in 2004 after a number of years working for various manufacturers and third-party logistics providers. The business has grown quite considerably since then. We now have a core team of consultants, very experienced in all areas of logistics operations, warehouse design, e-fulfilment centre design, and transport modelling and whole distribution network modelling. We were first approached by bodybuilding.com as they wanted to move their European distribution centre from the Netherlands into the UK and go from a third-party facility to their own in-house facility, very much like the number of facilities they operate throughout the US. Bodybuilding.com are the world's largest e-tailer for sports nutrition and supplements, and they have a turnover in excess of $500 million, and this European facility is exceptionally important to the growth of their business. Once we were awarded the business, some of my team were flown out to Boise, Idaho, which is the headquarters of Bodybuilding.com, where we looked at their operation and needed to replicate that in this facility here in the UK for the European operations. For us, this was quite a demanding project. We went from design stage in November through to supporting the procurement of the equipment and the automation, through to providing the CDM coordinator to meet health and safety regulations, and the principal engineer to manage the build of the facility. And the facility then went live and we started picking orders in the following March. E-fulfilment centres that we design today are built for ease of access to product and speed of sending goods out to clients. In order to have a facility that enables quick delivery, quick picking of the order and quick dispatch, you need to make sure that operations don't conflict with each other and the facility is laid out in such a way so that the replenishment and picking operations do not interfere with each other when this facility is operating at peak. The culture that we have as consumers today is that we demand everything straight away. E-fulfilment operations and ordering through the website do not allow customers to go in, feel and touch product, and once they've pressed the button and made their emotional commitment to payment, they then are left with the feeling that they haven't yet got their product. Therefore, delivery to the client is very, very important that it's as soon as possible. The main challenges that we faced when designing this facility, right the way through to the fit out and the commissioning of the facility and all the automation, was the time period. From the time when they managed to secure this property to the time when they needed to ship the first order was very short, and we did have to work over the Christmas break. It meant that we went from design to procurement process within about 6 weeks, and then waited for all the equipment to be built, and then came in for the build and commissioning stage in the next few months. We met the deadlines and we met the challenges put to us by bodybuilding.com.
Gideon Hillman Consulting and the team there have been a terrific support throughout the entire project of getting the UK Fulfilment Centre up and running. The timelines we had were very tight, but they worked tirelessly with us to select the right providers to deliver the right solutions that we were looking for as a business to get this fulfilment centre up and running. Throughout the process, they worked with us through the ups and downs. We had some challenges along the way, but our project manager was available 24 hours, 7 days a week to help us to get the fulfilment centre up and running. We thoroughly enjoyed working with Gideon Hillman Consulting, and I look forward to working with them again in the future.